Have you ever put in incredible amounts of hard work and time and late nights and blood, sweat and tears into a project, and you've spent days and days upon weeks of building up models and drafting lines and sections and plans, creating 3D renders and 3D models, and then you've gone to present it as well, and then 2 weeks later you've gotten your results back. And what you've expected to do really well, you just haven't gotten the grade that you expected to get. Trust me when I say I've been there and I know how it feels. That, I used to be a straight C student. In fact, I was nothing above average. And where I put in an immense amount of time and work and effort into my projects, that effort just never paid off. I used to be just like that up until 2 years ago. And then I realized something that changed everything. Although I was putting in this immense amount of effort before, it was like I was running on a treadmill. I was running as fast as I could, but I wasn't getting anywhere. I'm now actually learning the principles of architecture and how to design rather than just simply producing drawings and models and feeling like I wasn't progressing at all. Now, I don't know if you feel like that as well, but this realization that I had that changed everything took me years of researching and learning how to study by reading books and watching videos. And this is exactly what I talk about in the book, How to Ace Any Project in Architecture School. And where I don't just share this information with you, I walk you through step by step the processes I take to successfully prepare for my semester before it even begins. I also walk you through how to come up with a concept that really impacts the way you move forward with your designs. And I also talk about presenting and communicating what you know, because this is so underrated and not talked about. The fact that you could be the most knowledgeable scientist in the world and you could spend 10 years dedicating yourself to find the cure for cancer, and then one day you magically find this cure through this hard work. But the fact is, if you don't know how to communicate and share your ideas, no one's going to understand them and you're not going to be able to effectively sell your ideas. And despite your cure being able to positively impact millions of lives, no one's going to know about it. And just like the scientist who finds a cure for cancer who can't effectively communicate his ideas, well, it's just like architecture students. You guys and girls, you know your projects at the back of your hands. You spend weeks, if not months, building up your projects and knowing every little detail about it. But if you don't know how to present your design ideas and effectively communicate them, then no one will understand your design. So despite spending weeks and weeks, if not months, on your projects, the simple idea of not being able to effectively communicate your ideas will be the only thing holding you back from achieving great results. And so I want to give you this tool and this realization that I had that changed absolutely everything. That took me from being a straight C grade student to getting consistent high distinctions for the past 2 years. I want to give you this step-by-step guide to achieving great results in architecture school. And where I feel like the value of this is invaluable, I've decided to give it away for less than the price of lunch. Literally, it's cheaper than buying a burger meal from McDonald's. And this is something that will absolutely change the way you study and the way you progress in the profession from this day onwards. The thing is, I'm not too sure how much longer I'm going to be able to keep it at this price for. So if you're here right now, press the button to your right or fill out the form. Otherwise, it might be below you if you're on mobile. And literally, you can start reading it right now.